Our lesson for today is the different parts of the Microsoft Excel. Okay, so we have the menu bar, we have file home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, and view. Next, we have the different ribbons that contains different commands. Next, we have the cell reference, the name box or the cell address. It is called the cell address because it indicates the location of our cell pointer. The moving rectangular shape is called the cell pointer. Okay. For example, our cell pointer is located in C4. Okay. Why? Because it is under column C and row 4. Next, we have the name box or the formula bar wherein we type our text or gives our formula. Next, here we have the columns, yung ating mga letters, contains letters. These are called columns. And next, we have numbers. These are called rows. Okay. Next, we have the scroll bar. We have the left and from the right side, up and down, the scroll bar. And on the lower portion, we have another scroll bar for the left and right. Next, we have the different sheets. Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3, or Folder 1, Folder 2, Folder 3. And we can also add uh, other folders. Okay, and we can also rename the names of this folder. Okay. Next, the lines are called grid lines. Okay. And next, this space is called the cell. Each cell contains 9 characters. Okay. So again, we have the major parts of the Microsoft Excel. Again, we have the title bar, the different ribbons, the cell reference, the formula bar or the text box. We have the columns. We have the rows. Okay. Next, we have the scroll bar. And we have the folder tabs or the sheet tabs. We have the grid lines. We have the cell. And we have the cell pointer. Okay. So these are the parts of the Microsoft Excel.